one of my goals this year is to use the things I have and find new ways to use different things. So in today's installment of things that don't belong in the craft room that are great for the craft room, I have this little teapot. My daughter found this for me at a local thrift store. I love to drink tea, but I was a little worried that it wasn't food safe. So you can see that some of the gold is kind of rubbing off. It's got a little chip here on the spout, but it's just pretty. My daughter loves very vintagey pretty things. So that's the front and that's the back. And usually this just sits in my office and I haven't really known what to do with it. But then I saw something that made me go, ooh, that could be cool. So, oh, and you can also see it's wobbly. When I opened the lid of my teapot, I stuffed one of those little purple tomato pin cushions. So it is filled with my pins and my needles because my cat loves to pull needles out of pin cushions. So I usually have to take my pin cushion and constantly put it away. But now I can have my pin cushion available, and then when I don't need it, it can go inside the little teapot and Dolly can't get to the pins. But I also use the teapot to put all my little crumbs as I'm trimming. So these little trims, you know, as you're trimming pieces, you end up with all these teeny tiny little pieces. I've been throwing them in here because I save those for my friend, hi Michelle, who uses them for the inside of catnip pillows. She makes catnip pillows for our local cat shelter. So now I have a cool place to keep my crumbs and toss them while I'm sewing. And I have my pin cushion that can be hidden from the cat. So all in all, this is my cat supporting, cat friendly teapot now. So I just thought that would be fun to share. If you have any cool little teapots, maybe you can make your own little pin cushion teapot. And this actually just stuffed in there. Like I was able to just push it in there and it just sticks. So like you can see how it's kind of misshapen from me pushing it. But you could also use glue if you want to make it a little more permanent to stick in there. So that is my pin cushion teapot.